Tell me honestly, have you ever reached the end of the day and thought, the whole day is gone, but I didn't get the important things done? If yes, you're not alone. The truth is, time management isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. And today, I'll share with you 5 powerful books that can literally change the way you spend your hours and your life. Getting Things Done, David Allen. Imagine this. Your desk is messy, emails are piling up, and your brain feels overloaded. That's where Getting Things Done comes in. David Allen's GTD method teaches you to capture every single task, organize it into clear steps, and free your mind from the constant stress of remembering. Once you trust your system, you stop overthinking and start doing. This book is a lifesaver if you feel overwhelmed by endless to-do lists and unfinished projects. Eat That Frog, Brian Tracy. Picture this. You wake up in the morning and there's one big scary task waiting for you. Brian Tracy says, don't run away from it, just eat that frog. In other words, tackle your hardest and most important task first thing in the morning. Once that's out of the way, everything else feels easy. His book gives 21 simple strategies to beat procrastination and focus only on high-value tasks. It's short, practical, and will hit you right where you need it. 168 Hours, Laura Vanderkam. Be honest, how many times have you said, I just don't have time? Laura Vanderkam completely destroys this excuse. She reminds us that we all have the same 168 hours in a week. It's not about lacking time, it's about using it wisely. Through real-life examples, she shows how even the busiest people manage careers, families, hobbies, and rest. This book forces you to reflect. Where are your hours really going? Social media, endless scrolling, or towards building the life you actually want? Make Time, Knapp John Zeratsky. We live in a world of distractions, WhatsApp pings, Instagram reels, endless emails. Make Time teaches you how to take control back. The authors suggest choosing just one highlight each day, the thing that truly matters, and designing your energy around it. With fun little tactics like redesigning your phone screen or adding energy boosts, this book feels less like a lecture and more like a personal coach cheering you on. The 4-Hour Workweek, Timothy Ferriss. Now here's the book that shook the world, The 4-Hour Workweek. Timothy Ferriss asks, why work 40 years waiting for retirement when you can design freedom right now? His formula, automate, outsource, and apply the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% tasks that bring 80% results and ditch the rest. The stories inside will make you rethink everything about work-life balance. It's not just time management, it's lifestyle design. So, which of these books do you need most right now? Do you need clarity like Getting Things Done? Or motivation like Eat That Frog? Maybe freedom like the 4-Hour Workweek? The truth is, you don't need more hours in your day. You need better strategies. Start with one book, apply it, and watch how your days transform. And hey, don't just let time pass. Make it count. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.